This repair should be made by a certified and licensed plumber. The fire panel called out and both the main valves shut off. I start by opening up the test ports. You will see once I get both test ports open, it will cause the relief to dump. This will get all the water to the inside and make sure that your pressure is relieved when you open it. I use one of my testing hoses to contain where the water is going to go. Once the water stops running, go ahead and start by removing the sensing line that connects to the relief valve. Wrench, we can go ahead and start removing the cover on this. This unit has the optional cover that helps contain the water if it does dump. So you're going to have to remove those too before that cover will come off. This release has appeared to have been leaking for a while, as you can tell by all of the crud buildup. Should be easy to remove. It's just a thread with a gasket at the top. You can see here that there are two bolts already moved. Those are the ones that are holding the cover on. I forgot to show it, but I was just making sure that the sensing line was clear by blowing into it. Start to disassemble it. That plastic collar will slide off of the rubber diaphragm that pushes up on the relief. everything is cleaned off nice and everything is looking good. Slide the plastic collar back on the diaphragm. Make sure it sits in the little lip at the bottom. If you look at the instructions and you look at the way I do it, it's slightly different. I get good results this way and a lot easier than the instructions, where they want you to put it on a flat surface and slap it. If you do it this way, just make sure that when you're tightening it up, you don't twist the diaphragm and bind it up inside that collar. Inside is probably the most important part. The seat right there that I'm pointing out is where the relief is going to sit on when it's in operation. If that's not clean, you're going to get drip. When you're cleaning it, if it is too bad and there's nicks in the relief seat, you're going to have to put a whole new relief assembly in. A close-up of that O-ring that I was talking about earlier. Make sure that looks good. You don't have to get it super tight. Just go ahead and snug it up. Once you have it all back together, go ahead and slowly turn the water on and check your work. Thanks for watching.